Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making this delicious Uziza soup. In my opinion, this is the best and the easiest Nigerian soup ever. Please stay tuned. To start, I'll add my proteins to the pot. In here, I have some washed goat meat. Next, I'll add some stockfish head and fillings. After that, I'm going to add some cow skin, also known as bomo, and then my snails. Now, I'm going to season with a bit of seasoning cubes, salt and some pepper. I used yellow pepper because the aroma it gives to the soup is just amazing. So, add a little bit, give it a quick stir, cover and allow it to steam for 15 minutes without adding water. While that is cooking, I'm going to start prepping the rest of the ingredients. In here, I have my Ogiri Igbo. I got this from a local market and the seller said it's actually better than the one packaged in a container. So I'll go ahead and open it, scoop out the contents and dissolve in water. The purpose of doing this is to allow the sand in it sediment in case if there is any. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking to watch today's recipe. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch. 15 minutes later, you can see some of the juice that the meat has released on its own. So, I'll give this a quick stir, add some water and cook until the snail is done. At this point, I'm going to wash and pick the Uziza leaves. This is our main ingredient and we have a lot of it here. This is why it is called Uziza soup. Guys, I went through some challenges while filming this recipe. So please give this video a thumbs up, okay? Thank you. So now I've washed it, I'm going to slice it very finely and set it aside. It took me extra 15 minutes to get the snail done. Once the snail is done, take it out. So I'm going to take it out now and continue cooking the rest of the protein. But just before I continue cooking the protein, I'll add the dry fish. I'm adding it now because it's quite tough. You want everything to cook down. So add the fish, extra water and cook for at least 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, I checked on the protein and it's almost done. I'm not cooking it completely at this point because, of course, we are still cooking. The rest we cook as we go. Now, I'm going to add some ground crayfish, pepper, palm oil and water. Once you add water, the next thing is to add some thickener. For this recipe, I'm using Achi, which I love. I love Achi because that's the best thickener for this soup. I just love the taste it gives to the soup. You can use cocoyam or any thickener available to you wherever you are. So before I add the achi, I will dissolve in water. This method helps it to be lump free. You can also use palm oil to do this, just like your ogbono, if that is what you prefer. Now give this a good stir. Taste and adjust with seasoning or salt. Cover and bring to a boil. This is 10 minutes later. Can you see how beautiful our pot of soup is looking? See how the color is popping and everything is properly dissolved. At this point, I'll add the Ogiri Igbo and then reintroduce the snails we took out earlier. Give this a quick stir and then I'm going to add the sliced Uziza leaves. Uziza leaves is more like a herb, so you need to add it earlier than usual to enable it to release all of its beautiful flavors and aroma into the soup. So add it and let it cook for extra 7 minutes and our soup is ready. This soup is best served with pounded yam. I served mine with eba. What would you like to pair with this deliciousness? Let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye!